Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States, Chapter 16, Shloka 19 and 20. These cruel haters, worst among men in the world, I hurl these evildoers forever into the wombs of the demons only.
Chapter 16, Shloka 19. तानहं द्विषथ क्रूरान् संसारेषु नराधमान् क्षिपाम् अजस्रम् अशुभान् आसुरीष्येव योनिषु.
Entering into demonical wombs and deluded, not attaining to me birth after birth, they thus fall, O Kaunteya, into a condition still lower than that.
Chapter 16, Shloka 20. Asurim yonim apanna mudha janmani janmani mama prapyaiva kaunteya tato yantyatamangadim.
Chapter 16, Shloka 19 and 20. The fall in evolution suffered by such thoughtless materialists as a result of their own false values and foul actions is being traced in the following shlokas. Here, Lord Krishna identifies himself with the law of action and reaction. Wrong action leaves wrong tendencies behind, and propelled by such negative tendencies, the personality in an individual at death in this physical structure demands an appropriate field of existence. An asuric will discover his fulfillment in an asuric environment. Therefore, the law of action and reaction orders that such cruel men again and again reach similar wombs until they realize their follies and futilities in following such a low life. Lord says, as the most degraded men in this world, they are malicious and cruel. Malicious against the dignity of themselves and cruel to the living beings around. Shloka 20. Lord Krishna says that an individual having repeatedly reached as a result of his previous life the same asuric environments, life after life, fails to realize the infinite joys of the self. They never climb the heights of cultural beauty, but slowly sink lower and lower to reach the bottom grades of beings. Thus, the divinely good and the divinely fallen both have been reviewed. Most of us, in varying degrees, belong to the latter class. Lord Krishna now advises the entire mankind on how to climb up and steadily progress in his spiritual evolution, as none is eternally condemned, nor does anyone deserve a perpetual hell. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, Join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.